Hey St. Jude runners, guess what? I got something new in this nice red box. Check it out right after this. Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for once again joining me for my reviews and unboxings and travel and my 360 videos. If you haven't seen one of my 360 videos, did a great one just recently that I posted from Expedition Everest when we went to Disney World last time. So you can check that out, especially if you're stuck at home during this whole thing. So today, got this in the mail, got a notification that I was receiving a FedEx package. As you know, if you watched my other videos, I'm training for the St. Jude Memphis 70.3 half Ironman. It'll be coming up in October. Getting lots of bike and run miles in. The pools are closed right now, so I'm waiting for the pools to open so that I can get out and start getting my swim on. So wanted to unbox what came in the mail from St. Jude, and that way you can check out some of the cool things. I always love getting packages in the mail from St. Jude. They are awesome to their runners in helping them along the lines. If you're fundraised for St. Jude, you get a dashboard that has all sorts of help in spreading the word and helping your fundraising. So I am about halfway to my $3,000 fundraising goal, and hopefully we'll be on track to get that hit come October. So if you want to donate, there'll be a link down in this description below. But without further ado, let's open this box. So it has the nice St. Jude logo there on the front, and it is only held closed by a piece of Scotch tape, but that's all right. So you open it up on the flap. It says "Run for a Reason." St. Jude Heroes. So inside, let's see if I can get that to do it without falling. There's a nice little package that's wrapped in there with the St. Jude Heroes logo on some tissue paper. So let us unwrap it very gently. I like to keep stickers, so that's what I'm going to do. Inside is this awesome St. Jude magnet pin. It has Javier's story on the back and front. So Javier is age 2, and he has mixed germ cell tumor. And so what it says on this card is that St. Jude freely shares the discoveries it makes, and every child saved at St. Jude means doctors and scientists worldwide can use the knowledge to save thousands more children. They always share the knowledge that they gain with other hospitals. So even if you're an adult, you will benefit from that. So in this box, it has this little card. This little card has Coach Lloyd on it. It says, Lloyd Henry is your exclusive coach for the inaugural St. Jude Ironman 70.3 Memphis. Owner of On Point Fitness in Washington, D.C., Lloyd has been dedicated to helping people achieve their fitness goals through injury-free and energy-efficient techniques since 2004. Lloyd is a 25-time Ironman and long course finisher with international race experience in all triathlon distances. Most recently, he coached the first ever St. Jude hero to participate in the illustrious Ironman World Championship. Be on the lookout for coaching emails with tips from Coach Lloyd to help you cross the finish line on October 3rd. On the back, it has the St. Jude Heroes logo there. Okay. Inside, it has information on the St. Jude Memphis Ironman 70.3. A nice logo there. It says, thank you for joining us as a St. Jude hero for the inaugural St. Jude Ironman 70.3 Memphis. As a token of our appreciation, you'll find an official St. Jude hero training shirt. Wear it with pride as you put in the miles for the big day. So there's the logo for the race, and then on the back side it also has some tips on raising 500 in a week. Those are very helpful tips. If you haven't done this before, every little bit helps. So, and then the main thing that's in here, the box is now empty. I'm gonna move all this stuff back in the box. that wasn't it. There is this. Iron Man 70.3. Memphis. And then on the back side is St. Jude Hero with the logo up at the top. This is a nice tech shirt. They put out some really nice tech shirts. I've gotten some when I ran the Memphis Marathon a couple of times. They have really nice tech shirts that are very light, very airy, and they're really nice quality. So I will be sporting this as I put on some miles and do my fundraising pictures and videos, which is awesome. Thank you, St. Jude, for sending me this shirt. Look forward to wearing it and look forward to getting in some more miles. Thanks again for joining me on this short video. Hopefully you learned something and you will take the opportunity to go and either sign up to run for St. Jude as a St. Jude hero, or you'll support me in the link below by donating to my fundraiser. Every dollar goes directly to St. Jude to help them fight the fight against cancer and other childhood illnesses and take care of the families. The families at St. Jude never receive a bill. They are taken care of as soon as they walk through the door. Food, housing, schooling for the kids, all of that. So there isn't a greater cause I can think of that would help as many people as St. Jude. If you get a chance to go to Memphis, it's a great place to go tour the campus once all this is over with. So I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Go out and get your miles in.